Hi, it's the Black Bonsai guy, and I'm back here today to talk about a new soil that I plan on using. And it's this product right here. It's called Proco. And this Proco is a compressed Cocopeat block. It's the premium coconut husk grade. And what you do is you put this in water, and this block expands. So we're about to go make some, we're gonna run some errands. So what I wanna do is, I wanna put this cocoa block in some water, so by the time we get back, it's already expanded. And to it, I'm going to add some additional things to help give the soil some nutrients. Because Cocopeat by itself is pH neutral. It doesn't have a lot of nutrients in it. So I want to add some organic things to them. I add some compost. If you come over here, I'll pause the camera for a second. If you look over here, I already have some things in the container, and this is just some dry stall that I use on my bonsai. There's also some sifted pine bark. This was too fine. I have a couple orchids that I was repotting. So you have some sifted pine bark in there, some dry stall, and some, what is it? I can't think of the last component right now. It's been so long. But this is primarily what I use for my bonsai saw, and this is the fines that typically wouldn't go in there. It's just too much dust, and this wouldn't allow for proper drainage. So rather than just throw it away, I'll go ahead and keep it in there. And I'll get a nice big handful of it. Hopefully you guys can see. So I'll leave that in there. That'll help with providing some drainage and getting some air into the soil. I'll also add some compost to it, and probably some fertilizer. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust this brick open, throw it in there, and add some water. All right, so we back. So I got that brick in there right now, and as you can see, it's pretty solid. It's dry. It doesn't break up particularly easily. It's hard. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my hose on. Got a little spigot out front. Go ahead and get some water on that. That's a little too hard. More like it. Why my hoes are hazing me today, but they don't want to let me do what I need to do. But as you can see, I'm getting some water down there in the bottom of it. And I will just let that sit and start to expand. Let me hit it, see how I feel. This is my first time dealing with these. It's still hard. Alright, I'm gonna just let Mother Nature do her thing and let it absorb that water. And we're gonna go run some errands. Hopefully get some food. Probably hit Best Buy up, but I don't know how I'm feeling about Best Buy dealing with this COVID out there right now, but We will do our best to stay safe, and we will be back. All right, we back. So we made a quick run to go get some groceries from the store, and now we're back looking at the brick. You guys should, I'll lift it up for you. It's starting to basically suck all of that water out, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it over. Sometimes you can't be nice with these things. You gotta get up in there and just do it with your hands. But add some more water. See if my holes do me right today. I'm just gonna let it soak up some more of the water. See if I can break this in half. Nope. Well, we're getting some position now. Commercial, when you look on their website, they make this look all sexy and make it look all smooth, but as in real life, you know it take more work, but we're not tripping. We do it if needed. It's probably best if you just fill this thing up with water and let it run all night. I'm ready to get into it so I can mix my soil so I can start doing some repots. Let that run on it. I'm gonna go ahead on and pause the video and give this maybe another half an hour or so to soak up. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to strain some of the water off, but then again maybe not by the time I mix in my other soils. I think we'll stop right there for now. Let me come around to the other side just so you can kind of see the consistency where it's at right now. Still a big brick. Confident by the time the rest of the brick absorbs the water that this will be a nice consistency. As see it. So I'll go ahead and get the water off of it for now. And we'll let this sit for, let's say, maybe 20-30 more minutes. See if it starts to firm up. So we're back. So now it's another day. I wound up getting busy the other day, so I couldn't finish the video, but I just wanted to wrap this up right quick. So I've added 2 scoops of compost to the bin. I'm going to add some of this Kellogg's potting mix to it, along with the brick that we soaked the other day. I'll do 2 parts of this, 2 shovelfuls of the Cocopeat brick. I'll do 2 parts of the compost, and then 2 parts of the potting mix. And I'll go ahead and put this together while we have you. And come over here. And what we'll do is we'll just simply mix that in. Good. So that's my basic mix that I'm going to start using. Just wanted to run through that with you all real quick. Again, it's 2 parts of the cocoa brick that we had. I had some compost that was already in the bin, so 2 parts compost, and then 2 parts of the Kellogg's potting mix. That'll be it. Next video we should be doing some repotting. Talk to you guys later.